We are pleased to show you the 2017 Impreza. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, leather trim seats, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, rear floor mats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.